Hi guys, welcome to Flipkart. I am Vishwa and today I'm going to review the Panasonic BG series of refrigerators. This range has 4 different models under its hood. The 336-litre NRBG341 VSS3 and NRBG341 VDA3 and the 307 litres NRBG311 VSS3 and NRBG311 VDA3. Each capacity has 2 color options, a shining silver and an ocean blue. To understand more about this range, let's quickly get into its features. This range is deployed with the revolutionary EcoNavi technology. This technology uses a combination of sensors to monitor your daily usage patterns, lifestyle and surrounding environment conditions. All this data is then fed into a real-time, state-of-the-art microprocessor, which then directs the inverter compressor to adjust its speed and power levels accordingly. This greatly enhances the cooling performance and reduces energy usage and hence ensuring money saving. Let me quickly take you through the kind of intuitive sensors this refrigerator comes with. The first one is the door sensor. The door sensor detects how frequently the door is opened and closed to calibrate with your family's lifestyle pattern. The second is the internal temperature sensor. This monitors the temperature inside the refrigerator to determine the required cooling power. The third is the room temperature sensor. This detects the surrounding temperature to determine the optimum cooling power during the day. And the last one is the light sensor. This one detects the surrounding brightness. When the lights are switched off, the sensor determines that the refrigerator is not being used and optimizes the performance accordingly. Now the BG series comes with a 6-speed inverter compressor. The higher the number of power levels, the better it is for you, as this ensures automatic selection of the required cooling depending on real-time usage. The inverter intelligently uses 6 different speed or power settings based on the temperature inside the refrigerator and the amount of food stored in it. It operates at full power if the door is frequently opened and closed, while minimum power if it remains closed for a longer period of time. This dramatically reduces the electricity consumption and gives up to 49% of savings. With different power settings, you can even freeze things quickly with up to 50% faster freezing time. This ensures that the food's texture remains intact and is nutritious and flavorsome for a longer period of time. This range of Panasonic refrigerators has been thoroughly crafted keeping your family's health in mind. That is why it is deployed with the innovative AG Clean technology that eliminates bacteria, mold and other harmful microorganisms, ensuring your food retains its freshness and nutrition. The silver air filter or the AG Clean filter eliminates 99.9% of mold and bacteria inside the refrigerator. These filters fitted near the air ducts release silver ions which mix up with cold air in circulation to deactivate bacteria and neutralize the odor. This is certified by the renowned Boken Quality Evaluation Institute of Japan. Now, different food items require different temperature settings and levels of humidity. Panasonic's surround cooling airflow system is an advanced mechanism that has 5 air ducts or independent airflows for the refrigerator compartment and 5 air ducts in the freezer compartment to evenly and simultaneously cool. This means that an optimum temperature and humidity can be maintained in each compartment to keep the food fresh for long. With 20% extra storage space and spacious compartments, this fridge lets you keep your favorite fruits and vegetables and all that you love without a second thought. This vegetable box is the biggest amongst all the other refrigerators in this similar capacity segment. Let me show you. So friends, I think Panasonic BG series of refrigerators will become an ideal help for your family on an everyday basis in no time. I give it a double thumbs up. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal that I feel you cannot afford to miss, because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.